Hi, this is Sherry Veronica, and I'm doing tuna fish today for my lunch, which would be the only meal I have today. I eat one meal a day, and I keep pretty thin. People ask me how I keep it down. This is how I keep the weight off me. Now, this is tuna. I usually buy my chunk like tuna in oil. That's how I buy it. People buy it with water, soaked in water. I like it in oil. I use the entire can. I squeeze the oil off, squeeze it off, and I add an avocado. These are small Mexican avocados. I'm sure you get them everywhere, small Mexican, and the entire avocado will go into the tuna. I use green onions. What you see in that's green onions with the avocado and the tuna. And I add hot sauce. The hot sauce has a mustard and other ingredients, so I don't need to add a whole lot of stuff to my my ingredients. It's enough. This is more than enough. It's tuna, onions, avocado, and hot sauce. And I have some fried plantains on the side, but this would be what I would eat for the entire day. I'll have it with some crackers, just crackers, and tomorrow morning or tomorrow sometime during the day I'll eat again. But this is my one meal a day, and it keeps me full for the entire day. And I'll have some coconut water or other forms of water in between, but this is how I keep my weight down. Sherry Veronica.